Hey y'all, so originally this video was supposed to be a vision board and sip, but your girl is under the weather, so I'm going to be making me some tea with some honey in it because I needed something to soothe my throat. I wanted to set the mood by lighting my candle. By the way, this raspberry mimosa from Bath & Body Works smells amazing. Here is my setup. I found my pictures on Pinterest and then I put them on Word documents so that I could expand them to make sure that they were big enough for my board. Then I'm going to use scissors, glue, and I found these really cute rhinestones from Dollar General. And then I'm going to be using this little poster board. There's going to be two parts to this video. This is part one where I'm just making my vision board, and part two is going to be me explaining my vision board and why I chose these certain things to go on my vision board specifically. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. So now I'm just going to start trying to map out the pictures. What you want to do is make sure that your pictures fit on your board. So if you have to rearrange them to make sure that everything fits together, then you can do that. I did have to overlap some pictures, which ended up really cute in the process. One thing about me, I love really blinky stuff. Anything with rhinestones, I love. So I wanted to add some to my vision board because it just adds my personality to the board. This is how my board turned out. It's so cute and I can't wait to explain it to y'all. Okay, so I found this planner book at Walmart for $7. I thought it was so cute because it lets you write your goals, which would be personal, your work goals. It lets you put in key notes of things that you shouldn't forget. And it also has this section where it's like, it asks you like what you're watching, what you're drinking, like all those types of things that you're doing in the moment. So I thought this would be perfect. It also has a calendar on there. So I just thought this would be perfect because I love journaling and all of that stuff, but I'm really big on planning my stuff out nowadays. So this was like A1 for me. Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in part 2 of explaining my vision board.